Today we will discuss on D flip-flops. D flip-flops are quite popular in use. These flip-flops are very much widely used to build sequential logics like counters, shift registers and various other circuits. So today we will be looking at the CD4013 IC. The CD4013 IC contains two D flip-flops. So it is a dual D-type flip-flop. So these two flip-flops contains independent set reset D inputs, clock and Q bar outputs. So we will be using this IC to build a divide by 2 counter. Now to make a divide by 2 counter using a D flip-flop, we need to connect the Q bar output to the D input. So the Q bar output is connected to the D input and the clock is fed into the clock input, and the output is the output clock by 2 is obtained from the Q output. So this is the simplest circuit for getting a divide by 2 frequency. So the 4013 contains dual flip-flops, so therefore we can also make a divide by 4 counter by cascading these two. But anyway, we will be using only one of them, so we will just divide by 2. So as you can see on the circuit, I have this 4013 IC. So the set and the reset pin are tied to ground since both of these are active high. Since both of these are active high asynchronous inputs, therefore both of them are not tied to ground. Now the Q bar is connected to D and the output is obtained from Q. The clock is fed into the clock input and the VCC and ground are given as 5 volts. So as you can see on this oscilloscope, as you can see, the yellow trace is the clock input. So the yellow trace is a clock input with only 5% duty cycle, and the frequency of the clock input is around 390 Hz. So the output of the D flip-flop is obtained, and the color is the violet or the pink one. The violet one is the output from the D flip-flop, and it is being divided by 2. The good thing about these flip-flops is that since these flip-flops are edge triggered, so even if the input clock has a duty cycle of only 5%, since these are edge triggered flip-flops, the output duty cycle from these flip-flops are always as 50%, as you can see on the oscilloscope screen. So this is the beauty of these flip-flops. The 50% duty cycle is a very much essential thing, and it is widely required in many clock related applications. So these flip-flops can convert a non 50% duty cycle wave to a exact 50% one. So the results you can see on the scope. You can also take this output and then again divide it by 2 using the other flip-flop available in the 4013. That is an exercise for yours. So get this IC. This IC is very much cheap, and you can find them in your local electronic hardware store. Also another IC you can find is the 7474, which belongs to the 7400 family. So the 4013 belongs to the 4000 series logic family, and the 7474 belongs to the 7400 logic family. So both of these are D flip-flops, and you can use any one of them. So I have shown you about the 4013 flip-flop. You can also use the 7474 too. That is also an exercise for yours. Get both of these ICs and get your hands on to this. You can make many other useful circuits using D flip-flops, various synchronous counters and various other things. So thank you for watching this video. So if you find this video useful, then please do like, share and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.